Once we get to probably later this year, if not early next year, the AI models will be better researchers than most researchers, which that means that suddenly you have this snowball effect of, instead of having a few thousand AI researchers or 10,000 AI researchers who are really good, then you functionally have a million or a billion high quality AI researchers globally. And that only gets better over time, by the way. When you see the benchmarks where it's like, oh yeah, Sam Altman was saying that OpenAI has like, a top 50 coder in the world. And by the end of the year, they expect to have the best coder in the world. You apply that to math, you have the best mathematician in the world, the best coder in the world. What is AI? It's math and code. So if you have an AI model that is the best AI and math coder, or the best at AI and math in the whole world, then suddenly human geniuses are not the bottleneck anymore.